Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting this afternoon will be, I want to show you my two laptops. The first one, the software is actually Linux Ubuntu series. The second one, it's a Lenovo Intel Core laptop in which the operating system is Windows 11. So this is a Linux Lenovo. Okay. And the second one is actually Windows 11, and the hardware is actually a Lenovo Intel Intel laptop. Okay, I just would like to show you how I will log in now. These are new ones now, so I will try to log in on the Lenovo, Intel Core, this is Intel Core Ubuntu. Yeah, Ubuntu. Okay, I'll try to log in. I was logged in already, and just to bring out the screen, it says here, just press any key. Okay, but you must have to enter the password. Okay, I will try to see my password on the Linux Ubuntu. The password is oh, it doesn't accept. Okay. This is EDC. Okay, that's it. So this is the screen of a Linux Ubuntu. The hardware is actually an Asus VivoBook Linux Ubuntu. The hardware is Asus VivoBook Linux Ubuntu. So the software of this one is Linux Ubuntu, the latest one. For the second one is actually a Lenovo laptop, Intel Core. Okay, the software of this one, Microsoft is longing for this one. This is Windows 11 actually. I'll try to log in on the Windows 11. It's Windows 11. Okay. So that's Windows 11. And that's it. So for now, I got a Linux Ubuntu using an Asus, what you call this, VivoBook. And the second one is a Lenovo laptop, Intel Core. Okay, the operating system is Windows 11. So we are catching up, guys. Before, I just only have a desktop computer and a laptop, and for now, since the Windows 10 will be expiring on October for the so-called updates, I must have to go ahead and made some adjustments so I could still use Windows 11. Actually, I could not use Windows 11 using my old laptop. But my old laptop, the one in the room, what do you call this? I installed a Linux Mint version 22.1. Okay? So I'm just showing you two of my laptops now. Actually, I got four laptops. I got my Linux Ubuntu. I got my Windows 11. Inside the room, I got a Linux Mint 22.1. And the other one is MacBook Pro. I just would like to show you the MacBook Pro. This is actually my third computer. This is an Apple computer. It's a MacBook Pro. I just would like to place it here, but I got no more space on my table. So actually, all in all, I got four laptops. I got a Linux Ubuntu. I got the Windows 11 on Lenovo. I got a MacBook Pro on Apple. And inside, I got a Dell Studio 1537. The operating system is actually Linux Mint version 22.1. So that's it, guys. I would like to show you some of the things on the Linux Ubuntu. Linux Ubuntu is almost similar to Linux Mint, but I think Ubuntu is different from Linux Mint. Okay. For this Linux Ubuntu, the built-in browser is actually Firefox, but Google Chrome is actually good with Linux Ubuntu. So actually I got also a Google Chrome. But if we try to use this Firefox here, okay, that's Firefox. See how it loads very fast. This is Linux Ubuntu. It's an open source. Okay, it works like an Apple MacBook Pro. Okay, if there is an update, we will update it regarding the software and regarding the security. Okay, and we could try going surfing over here. We'll go to Amazon. We are on Amazon already. Okay, you try to browse some products on Amazon that you would like, maybe an amplifier, do-it-yourself kit. I'm looking for an amplifier, do-it-yourself kit. Okay. Amplifier. Do-it-yourself kit. So I'm looking for an amplifier kit. So if we try to look for that one, it works very fast, you know. It works very fast. It loads the contents of the wave very fast. see personal recommendations. Something organic. Buy a new car. He wants me to, this Amazon thing wants me to buy a new car. Okay. So that's how fast we work online if we are using Linux Ubuntu. And actually, we could clear the we can quit now. Okay. So just to show you some of the contents of this Linux Ubuntu, we started here. Okay. We can try settings. I will try to see if what will be the contents of the settings. The contents of the settings here, advanced network configuration, okay, solitaire, archives manager, backups, calculator, calendar, characters, cheese, this usage analyzer, document scanner, and some other things, something like that. Okay. This is regarding the so-called Ubuntu software. We'll try to see if there are some updates. Like what I said, Linux Ubuntu is an open source. Okay, if there are an update regarding the software and the security, it will be downloaded here, and I bring out the screen or the window for it. I think there are some updates. Okay. We'll try to place it here, update all. But before we could update, Linux Ubuntu would like to authenticate. Okay, Linux Ubuntu, this is okay. He could not, what you call this, update the first one. We'll go with the second one. Okay, the second one was updated already. Okay, so before those update could be applied to this Linux Ubuntu, we must have to restart the computer. Restart. The restart will be here. Okay, there's a drop down thing here, power open log out, and under power open log out there are some options: suspend, restart, power off, or log out. So we'll restart. So the update that we have done a while ago, it's only one update actually. We click restart, then we click restart. Okay. So after restarting, the update will be modified already to this Linux Ubuntu software. Okay, I just would like to show you how I work also on the Lenovo Windows 11. Okay, that's the screen of Lenovo Windows 11. The what you call this, the browser for Windows 11 is actually Microsoft Edge. But I was able to install my Malwarebytes here. It's a third-party apps because I would like that this Windows 11 here will be scanned by Malwarebytes as an antivirus. And for my tune-up thing, I installed Total Defense. Microsoft 11 allowed Malwarebytes and Total Defense to be installed here. It's a third-party, they are third-party apps, which I needed. I prepare Malwarebytes and Total Defense. Malwarebytes for my antivirus thing, and Total Defense for my tune-up thing. If the operation of my Windows 11, okay, will be sluggish, I'll try to tune up because something bad happens on the hardware. Okay. Let's try to operate this Total Defense here. That's Total Defense. So for the Total Defense, there are two, what you call this, if the operation will be sluggish, I'll tune up my Microsoft Windows 11 by using Total Defense. So I'll go with the first one. Okay. So it will optimize, it will scan, okay. There are some issues to be reported and issues to be fixed. That was the last time around. And again, I will try to show you how I will scan this one. I'll scan again. So it will scan on the topic speed, stability, and performance. So the operation of your Microsoft Windows 11 is sluggish. Try to tune up your thing using a third-party apps. For me, I prepare Total Defense. Anyway, Microsoft 11 allowed Total Defense to be, what you call this, installed on this Lenovo Windows 11. Do you know why Windows 11 allowed the third-party apps to be installed here? Because the account I'm presenting you is just the local account. It's not the Microsoft account. Because so on the Microsoft account, there are so many limitations on the permissions that you could do. But if you're having a local account, actually you're not connected directly with Microsoft, so you could do your things what you want as long as it is a good thing for you, you know. There will be no something like interference from Microsoft, you know. Because sometimes Microsoft would like you to do something in which you don't want to do it. So if you're having a local account, okay, you could install third-party apps for the operation of this Windows 11, as long as your account is local account. Because if you are on the Microsoft account, you could not install this Malwarebytes here and this Total Defense. Malwarebytes is for the antivirus thing, for scanning virus, malware, other things. And for the tune-up thing, if the operation will be sluggish, I use Total Defense. These are reputable, what you call these, applications from third-party apps, third-party companies. Okay, so it is scanning. We are now on 17%. We are still on the operation speed. Next one will be stability and performance. For this Linux Ubuntu here, there was no built-in antivirus. It works like a MacBook Pro, in which the operation, since it is an open source, if there are some updates regarding the software and the security, you will try to update it. So you will not be encountering malware or other things, just to be safe. But for this Microsoft thing here, I prepare that I installed Malwarebytes in Total Defense. Because the last time around, for the past 10 years, I've been using this Malwarebytes in Total Defense for the good operation of my computer. If I am using Microsoft, because the last time around, it's Microsoft Windows 10. Actually, I passed by, what do you call this, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 7. I passed by all those ones already, so I know how Microsoft works. But now, it is more complicated than Microsoft, because Microsoft would like you to have an account directly with Microsoft. But to eliminate some interference from them, at least you have a local account, so you could do what you want. What you want, that is good. Okay? So it's still scanning. So for this Linux Ubuntu, maybe later on I could buy or download an antivirus which is incompatible with Linux Ubuntu. I think the one they're telling it online is actually Bitdefender or ClamAB, something like that. Those antivirus will work with Linux. But for the meantime, I don't have them. Maybe some later time, I could download or buy those ones. Because if you try to download it online, sometimes it doesn't work good, you know. But if you buy it individually, bring it home, then you install it, it's better, you know. There will be no interference from outside thing, you know. That's my experience. We are on 24% speed on the tune up thing. So just to repeat it, guys, I had 4 laptops. My first one is a Linux Ubuntu. The second one is Windows 11 and Lenovo laptop. The third one is MacBook Pro and Apple. And the one inside, the old one, Dell Studio 1537, I installed a Linux Mint version 22.1. They all work now, so whenever I go online, I just choose what computer I would like, and that's it. Because I want myself to be safe, you know. I don't usually go to some other websites which are very dangerous, you know. I just go with the shopping thing like on Amazon, Home Depot, or some other things. But some other websites, I don't go because it's very dangerous. You might be encountering some Trojan horse or worm or other things online, and you're in trouble. We are now 49%, still scanning for the... We are done with the speed. We are done with the stability. So the last part, it's scanning is actually the performance of this Windows 11 on Lenovo. This is a Lenovo Intel laptop. Okay. For this Total Defense and Malwarebytes, I could not install it on this Linux Ubuntu. Okay. Doesn't accept it because Linux Ubuntu says it came from third-party companies, you know. Because the software update of this one actually is coming from repositories in which many people try to contribute the good performance of the Linux thing, you know. It's a legitimate repository. That's where the software update is coming from. So it's not coming from any personal one. It's a repository. It's a contribution of so many people in which they try to make the software maybe a better performance regarding the operation and what you call this, the security. So it's done. Okay. It's all green. The speed is green. The stability is green. The performance is green, and time elapsed is 7 minutes 7 seconds. Zero issues detected. That's for the performance. For the next tune-up thing, I'll go with this one here. Okay. No. This one. This operation here. Okay. Let's try to see if what will it will be scanned on the next one. This is regarding vulnerability. If something maybe had penetrated inside, this total defense software will try to determine it. Okay, let's try to scan it. Regarding vulnerability, we are still on the 1% thing. Vulnerability meaning somebody might have penetrated your computer inside on your hard drive, and this total defense software will try to determine it. If it found something inside, it will try to eliminate it by deleting it. We are on 21% now. So we are on the so-called vulnerability scan. 21%. This log out already. So if I must have to bring in again the total screen, I must have to put the password. I think it's that's it. The next time around, I should try to lengthen the on-screen time. So I will not always log in using my password. Maybe I'll put this one maybe in 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So it will take some time before the screen will go off. 21% on the vulnerability scan. As you try to notice it, there is no antivirus here, there is no tune-up software over here. Like what I said, Linux Ubuntu is actually an open source software. If there is an update, we'll update the operation of the software. And if there is an update on the security, as soon as we are updating, of course, the operation and the performance of the software plus anything that refers to security will be updated. So we are safe from the newly discovered thing that will try to make our computer not work correctly. So we are now 50% scanning on the so-called vulnerability. Okay, we are done scanning. So it says here vulnerability apps detected 0. Apps are up to date. So it's green lighting. So it means to say this Lenovo laptop is actually free of anything. So when we try to operate this one, it should be working as smoothly as possible without anything like scrolling down, up and down. You will try to lag behind. If you try to scroll down and up, it will not work. But after the tune up, it should work very good. Okay. Okay. So actually, this Total Defense Tune app, my 3 laptops are actually connected with this one. The one that could accommodate this one except this one, because Linux Ubuntu could not accommodate this tune thing. It's a third-party app. She doesn't like it. The browser is actually Microsoft Edge. We can't do anything about it. That's Microsoft Edge. Right? We'll try to see if it will try to load up one of the icon series, Amazon. I'll try to click Amazon. So we are on Amazon already. That's how fast it works after tuning up. Because sometimes if somebody penetrated your hard drive and you go online, it will not just come out like this. It should be sluggish. But since it is not sluggish because we have tuned up already, it's good for us. I don't have to, what do you call this, erase some data here. To erase some data, I think we'll go in the settings. Okay. Supposing you browse a long time already, you have tried to look for so many things already, so there are some cookies that's applied to your computer, and for you to be safe and for those cookies not to interfere with your computer, you try to clear browsing data. Okay? And I got one item here. I haven't gone for so long, but I got one item already in the browsing history. So for me to eliminate these ones, I will clear it, and that's it. And I'm free to go. So the cookies now is not anymore inside. So I could close this one now. Okay. Ask Microsoft Edge or ask close all tab, close all tab. Right? That's it. So for the logging out of this, I will show you the logging out of this Linux Ubuntu. We'll go here. There's a power button here. Okay. There's a power open log out, and under power open log out, suspend, restart, power open log out. Log out, it should be power off. Okay. We are shutting down already the one. That's it. And for the Lenovo Windows 11, again, where's the, oh, it's here. The power button is here. Okay. And under this power button, it's lock, sleep, shutdown, or restart. I log out already from any website, so I will just shut down the computer. So I will shut down. Shutting down Windows 11. That's it, guys. So what I have shown you are my 2 laptops, Linux Ubuntu, and Windows 11 using a Lenovo laptop. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor BJ Reyes.